submarines don't mind at the very end. Underhand is but like maybe you could shake along if appropriate in the last number. So I didn't get to ask the submarine. I'm crazy right now. I didn't play sports in school, but this is what it's all about.
I'm scared. Watch out.
So I'm going to read a couple poems that some of the kids wrote. And this is Love is the Shape of a Glove. And I felt bad looking through them ahead of time and picking because I thought they're all great and that would be sad if somebody's poem didn't get picked. So if it's random, then it doesn't matter. Oh, somebody called a number. It's even better because it's
13.
not even...
13.
I heard 13 first.
7.
I really like 13.
I have 7.
I have to be mine!
Ah! You read it, Alex!
Oh, this one works. Yeah. You want to learn? Yeah. What if you didn't write this? What if it's the fake road or something? I'm not sure if I wrote this or not. Let me see. It says, I love my own shoe. My shoe is crazy and fun. It is so weird. My shoe is so clean. It is the best shoe ever. You could run fast. It is colorful. My shoe is creative. It is the best shoe. My shoe is called Vans. I don't have them anymore. If you touch it, it is soft. You should put it on.
Can we have somebody, wasn't it good? Can we have somebody call out one more? Hands up for 7. Hands up for 8. I think it was 7. Alright, number 8. Oh no. So I spilled some water backstage. Oh no, 7's gone. Okay, let's how about a number between 26 and 39?
33.
32. I heard that. Alright. Sweet. Okay. Who's 32? 32 is Nicholas. Yeah, you heard it? Okay. Do you guys want to take turns? You can read the first part and you can read the second part?
Okay. Dear Lucky Charms, I like you so much and you are so tasty. You are the best cereal ever. My favorite dessert is chocolate ice cream. I eat my ice cream with a cone and I like my ice cream with some sprinkles.
One more. Pick a number, not in the range of pages that I spilled water on.
38.
Oh, 8 is a spelled page. 24, I heard. 24. Yeah. All right.
Hey, that's my brother.
Is it?
Yes. Yeah, that's my brother.
I know somebody who loves me because I've been nice to them. I take her to eat for birthday. Go to her house. She likes animals. I'll do anything for her. I will give them something for Valentine's. She likes to play soccer. Go trick-or-treating with her. She likes the color blue. Her favorite team is my favorite team. I give her a Christmas present. I go see her play soccer. She likes gifts. She has lots of trophies. She likes the sunset. She likes the stars at night. She also likes the moon at night. She likes me the way I am. I like her how she's the way she is.
So this is part of the reason I love HE6. And these kids are really great, as you can see. So now our last group that will be playing is the Submarines. I wish I had fun facts about them, but they came a bit later and I didn't. I could make them up and say that they love narwhals and stuff like that. But I love narwhals. Yeah! Oh, what are your favorite mythical creatures?
Unicorns.
Your teacher. Barney. I thought Barney was your scary creature.
Same thing.
Favorite and scary. I like where this is going.
No, it's not favorite.
All right. Well, let's give it up for the Submarines.
This is impossible. What time is it?
How's it going? We just